In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up and slow down video in Canva on desktop and mobile. If you want to create a snappy time-lapse, smooth slow motion, or simply match your clip length to a soundtrack, Canva makes speed adjustments quick and intuitive. I'll show you how to do it on desktop first, then on the mobile app, so you can edit confidently wherever you are. On desktop, start by opening your design and selecting the video clip you want to adjust on your canvas or timeline. Once the clip is highlighted, look to the top toolbar and find the control labeled speed or sometimes playback, depending on your version. Click that to reveal the speed settings. You'll see a slider with values like 0.25x, 0.75x, 1x, 1.25x, and 2x. Drag the slider to the right to speed things up, or to the left to slow it down. As you change the speed, notice how the clip's duration updates. Faster speeds shorten the clip, slower speeds make it longer. If your clip has original audio, its pitch and pacing will change with the speed, so keep an ear out for how it sounds. You can always bring it back to normal by setting it to 1x. When you're happy with the setting, hit play to preview and make sure the timing and motion feel right. If your project has multiple clips, select each one you want to adjust and repeat the same control, since the speed applies to the selected clip only. Now let's do the same on mobile, whether you're on Android or iOS. Open your design in the Canva app and tap the video on the canvas to select it. A toolbar will appear along the bottom. Look for the video speed icon, often shown as a small speedometer or clock, and tap it to open the control. You'll get a familiar slider with the same range of values. Slide to the right to create a fast forward effect or to the left for slow motion. Move the slider slowly to fine-tune your exact speed, and watch the clip length update as you go. Tap play to preview the result, and adjust again if needed until the motion and timing match your vision. Just like on desktop, these changes affect only the selected clip, and setting the slider back to 1x returns it to normal speed. That's all you need to speed up or slow down your videos in Canva on both desktop and mobile. Make small adjustments, preview often, and use 1x as your reset point. Thanks for watching.